What's up, y'all? It is Bella, back testing with Bella, Trading Day. So today I'm going to be talking about why beginners should not be trading SPX, and then I'm going to get into talking about if I like the ICT better over the Strat. So let's get into it. So to start with, that's how y'all know I'm be editing my shit, because it's like, why would I do that? But anyways, let's start. So should beginner traders be traded SPX? The short answer is hell nah. Beginner traders should not be traded SPX. You should be trading SPY, the little brother. For real, for real. Because if you trade SPX, you're about to get your ass clapped. Because once a trade don't go in your way, it's gonna bring a lot of emotions, and y'all already know. If you are a beginner trader, you're gonna go through hella emotions because you're not gonna know how to take the L. And I would know because that was me. Like, I would be on think this will negative 900% because I'm not exiting my trade. Like, I'd be like, bro, I just know I can't be wrong. So I'd say, like, until you actually master your strategy and until you have like a profitable strategy for real, I say just trade the little brother SPY because it's still the same thing, but SPX is like kind of times 10. So SPY could be down $1, you'd probably be down like 25%. SPX down $1, you probably be down like 35%, 40% or something. Just exaggerate the numbers a little bit, but you know what I'm saying? Like, SPX could really have you clap. It'll have you fucked up. And sometimes it may be going your direction, but by the time it went the opposite direction and it didn't go your way, you're just gonna be like in a turmoil, and that'll probably cause you to close out your trade earlier than you should, and then you still got to take that L. So I'll say, like, just master your craft. Like, I know sometimes like you'll be seeing everybody make like 1,000%, 200%, 500% on SPX, but you just gotta wait your turn. That shit ain't for everybody. Oh, no cap. And basically, if you traded SPY, like, you'll be more at peace trading SPY because SPY is like the calm version of SPX. Like, SPX will run through you like a tornado storm. Like, and if you're a trader, you know what I'm talking about. Like, if you traded SPX and you traded SPY too, then you'll know that traded SPY is more peaceful than traded SPX. Even though it moves the same, it's just like when you trade options, like the theta and the money that could be lost, like that shit's different. So that's no cap. So getting into the Strat in ICT, do I like the Strat or do I like the ICT better? I would say that I love both. I love both. Like, they both have their own concepts, and then it's just basically like when you add it and mix it in together, you make it magic. Like, it all makes sense. Like, I love the Strat on higher time frames. Like, I love the Strat like when there's a new month, when there's a new quarterly, when there's a new week, when there's a new day. I love the Strat, and sometimes I even use it on intraday trading, like a new hour opening or a new 30-minute. Like, I love the Strat for that. And I also like the Strat for broad informations because broad informations are very respectable, especially when you drew it the correct way. So, yeah. But ICT, let's get into ICT. I love ICT too because ICT is like very precise. And I love the way how ICT run off order blocks and fair value gaps and shit like that. So that's why I would say that I love both. Like, I can't really choose one or the other because I use it together. Like, that is my system. So I respect both. I love both. I appreciate both the ICT and the Strat too. So that's just two questions that I wanted to go over that people were asking me. And also, I just want to talk about like a little trading psychology. I say, like, when you trading your account, you don't want to take more than a 15% loss on your account. Like, let's just say if you got $1,000 account, you don't want to take more than 15% loss. Like, that's only $150 when you really think about it. And sometimes it's best to look at percentages over numbers. Because, like, if you get caught up in looking at the numbers, now you're going to be down negative $300. Now that's negative 30%. When you could have just, like, took a smaller percentage loss and, you know, risk to reward, come back on another trade. You probably going to win on that trade. Like, it used to be times where, like, I had my trade, like, bro, I had to pull up my receipts, bro. My account was negative 900 fucking percent. Like, Thinkorswim is very dramatic. Like, other brokerages, they don't do shit like that. But like, let's just say if you like negative and blow your whole account or think it's well, that's just gonna be like negative 900%. Like, I didn't even know that shit could go that high. Like, I used to be sad as hell. That was until I started trading Strat and ICT. So if you're on this channel, just know I want you to grow with me. Like, y'all watching me grow every day. Like, y'all watching me upload the percentages every day. I wasn't always making this shit. That's why I be so happy. And for the traders that's hating and feeling like I'm doing too much or whatever, I'm gonna continue doing what the fuck I want to do, because this is my channel. And if you don't like it, then get the hell off. Like, it is not for you. So I feel like traders be so boring. Like, y'all hate to see somebody happy. Y'all hate to see somebody being super excited. That's why I'm gonna stay super excited. So yeah, I would stay super excited. But yeah, back to risk management. You guys just want to like respect your risk management, because that's gonna take you further. But like, if you gotta keep starting over your account, like, you're only gonna lose it all. And I would know, because I've been there before. Like, I lost it all. Like, I lost friendships. I lost boyfriends. I lost 2 boyfriends over trading. No cap. Like, no cap. I lost 2 boyfriends over some trading shit, for real. So, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just best to like control your risk, because you don't want to end up losing everything, and then you don't want to end up going through like a deep, serious depression. Like, I went through like a serious, deep depression. I was super sad. Like, I was not going out anymore. I don't want to talk to nobody anymore. Like, I just like, cause like I'm very like outgoing. Like, I love having friends or whatever. And I didn't want friends no more, because trading was basically taking over my life. Like, my ex told me, he was like, this shit is driving you crazy. And we didn't last, because it's kind of like, my nigga, you don't understand. When I get this shit, I'm gonna get this shit. So even when I was failing, I still kind of always had hope. Like, I kind of always knew, like, bro, like, I'm gonna get it someday. And when I get it, I'm gonna get it. So I just want the same thing for you guys. Like, let's just say if you're not so much of a profitable trader, you should probably like go over your risk management. And when you go over your risk management and you learn how to take those L's when it's time to take those L's, then you'll do better. That's all I really want for you guys to do, is your best. Like, if you're on this channel, I want you to grow every step of the way with me. No cap. So risk management is very important in trading. And then sometimes you gotta go into your trades, like, before you even go to your trades, like, you gotta have that mindset, like, okay, cool. If this trade go down like 10%, fuck it, I'm gonna get out. Like, that shit don't even matter. And then like, another thing that could probably help you is like, you just focusing on your own journey. Because a lot of times I'll lose a trade. Like, let's just say when I was in Discord, this nigga's calling out trades. I'm taking the same trades as everybody else, but I'm getting clapped. Other people win it, I'm getting clapped. So that'll cause me to want to revenge trade. So I would say something else is to just focus on your own journey. Like, ain't nobody doing this with you. That's why I'm not in a Discord this day. Like, I don't need a Discord. Like, I can do this shit by myself. Because even when I was in a Discord, that shit was just like, it was not so beneficial for me. Maybe I just wasn't one of the ones that's supposed to catch the winning trade. Or the group members would be like, oh, maybe you just don't know what you're doing. Yeah, you damn right I didn't know what I was doing. That's why I was taking call outs from other people. That's why I'm here. When I started focusing on my own journey and just doing shit on my own, like by myself, things got much better for me. So yeah, I really want you guys to focus on your risk management journey, and then use a daily compounding. Like, remember I told you guys about daily compounding, and just play the long game. Because once you start daily compounding, you add that shit up quick. So it won't really be nothing for you to be worried about. Like, if you got bills and stuff like that, I don't know, hopefully you have another source of income. Because like me, when I was taking my loss, I ain't had no other source of income. I mean, I was a hairstylist, but I gave up being a hairstylist to trade, full-time mainly. So I just fell in love with trading. Like, I fell in love with like the fast money. But at the same time, the fast money can get you clout, so you gotta be patient in order to get that fast money. Because I'm lying if I say trade is slow. I'm not gonna sit here and say trade is slow. But what is slow is just waiting on your setup. So that's why I say you gotta play the long game and be patient. So yeah. So that's what I wanted to talk about today. Like, should beginner traders be traded SPX? Short answer, no. Do I like ICT over the Strat, or do I like the Strat over ICT? Short answer is I love both because I trade both daily. So I can't pick one over the other because I use both. So yeah, and just give you guys like a bit of insights on trading psychology and shit that I went through, and hopefully you could be doing better or whatever. Like, I don't wish for nobody to be failing on their trades for real. Like, that's not a good feeling at all. Like, nobody's gonna understand that shit. Probably another trader, but let's just say like people in your everyday life, they will never understand until they get in the game. So yeah, that's my video for today. I will be back with another video tomorrow. So stay blessed and have a good one.